What's good, YouTube? I'm back once again, man. Another POV. This time it's daytime, as you can see, so you got a little better view of the vehicle, man. We're in the Hyundai Genesis 4.6 liter sedan, V8 engine. Hopefully you guys can hear the engine a little bit better in the car. Let me go back a little bit. Yes, sir. To be honest with you, man, this car is great, bro. It works, runs, all the good things, bro. But I'm not gonna lie, just test drove basically the same car as this one, basically. But it had the 5.0 liter V8 engine in it, so it got about roughly like 40 or 50 more horsepower, I believe, than my car does. I think so, if my math is not incorrect. Yeah, I think about 50 more horsepower than this car has. Yeah, around 50, 54, something like that. But yeah, that car was pretty cool, man. It's got less miles than my car does, less imperfections than my car does. It's it's a lot more expensive than my car was when I bought it too as well. But I don't know, I'm kind of tempted. I'm thinking about it, man. I got the all black interior as well, so I'm kind of thinking about buying it. But at the same time though, I already started, you know, like working and modifying this vehicle, so I don't really know, man. You know, I don't know what I want to do, because I do love this vehicle for sure, man. But you know, it's some stuff that I still need to work on to get the vehicle to my liking. You know, I still like it, but you know, I just want to work out the little imperfections that's going on with it. But other than that, it drives good, man. No major concerns, but you know, it's little minor concerns that I got for the car. But other than that, man, this car starts up every day, takes me where I need to go every day. It's a great car, man. It's plenty fast. Have no issues getting past anybody on the highway. I don't know. You know, I think I just want a nicer, somewhat newer car. But this is a 2010. The one I looked at, I believe it was a 2013 or 2012. I don't know. I think I might just end up just passing on it, and I might just save up my money some more and just get some like totally way newer with less miles on it. Because the one I went to go look at, it got 91,000 miles on it. These cars are luxury cars, so I would say it's not too bad for the vehicle itself, so I'm not too sure. But you know, these cars aren't really performance vehicles, you know what I'm saying? Gotta do a little quotation marks, performance vehicles, but they are fast for sure, man. But you know, and they are fairly reliable, bro. Pretty reliable, I would say so. Shoot, my car right now has 242,000 miles on it, so yeah, a lot of miles. But at the end of the day, this thing is still running. You would think this car would have like what, 50,000 miles, 30,000 miles. This car runs, man. No issues. Thing is, I don't know, I just feel like I want something different now. Not different, well, different too, but I also want, I don't know, I just want more horsepower, I guess. But I don't think it's really gonna make a huge difference, because that car has like 429 horsepower. Bone stock, my car is 375. Probably like 385 with the what is it, with the premium fuel. So around 385, 375, whatever that range is. It's probably a little bit more faster than a stock 4.6 liter V8 sedan, since I've done some modifications to it, you know, exhaust work and all that, and intake stuff as well. So it's probably running a lot more better than your stock vehicle. Because I guess you can consider pretty stock, because it's not well, fairly stock. It's not completely stock, because I've done stuff to it, so I haven't got it tuned yet. So it still has the stock ECU, but it's slightly modified. Let me just say that, slightly modified. Did want to get it tuned, but I don't know. I know I can get that 5.0 tuned as well. So both can get tuned, this one and the 5.0, if I do decide to buy it. I don't know if I want to fork over 12 grand though, so I don't know, man. Don't know. Gotta think about it. Have to think about it. But other than that, man, I don't really have much else to really say, man. I just gotta do some thinking, figure out what I want to do. Because it's either I get that another Genesis with the 5.0, which is the fastest V8 engine they ever produced with the 429 horsepower, or I just keep my 4.6 and you know, keep upgrading it and you know, keep doing my maintenance and all that other good stuff on it to keep it running. Because this car is paid off, of course, so you know, keep what I got going on here now, or switch it up and get something totally different. So I don't know, man. So at the end of the day, I'm about to either trade this car in, see who will take it in to trade, or just buy it outright from me, probably at the private sale or something like that, because I got the title and all that stuff myself. But I don't know, I just gotta do some thinking on it. Let me know in the comments down below if I should just ride out with my car now since it's already paid off, still running good, with just some little minor imperfections that I gotta repair myself and fix. Or should I just switch it up and just go get me a 5.0 liter V8, the Genesis, that is, not the Mustang, Genesis, another Genesis sedan that is slightly newer and has lower miles than my car does have. So I don't know. Because I do love my car. I do. I love it. I love the peanut butter interior, man. I really do. I love it. I don't know. And hopefully you guys can hear the exhaust a little bit. Little downshifts. Well, not downshifts. I mean little deacceleration pops and burbles a little bit. Got some little pops going on back there. Nothing too crazy, man. Nothing too crazy. I probably wouldn't get no burble tune on it though. It just, I don't know. I just feel like the burble tune is a little too much though, man. I'll leave that to the BMWs and Hondas and stuff like that. I don't know, I feel like the burbles and pops and bangs are a little excessive, and I probably get tired of hearing it at times. You know, it'd probably be cool for like a few months and whatever, but I daily drive this car, man. So when you daily drive a car, I don't think you want to hear all them loud pops and bangs early in the morning, man. It's gonna get tired. You're gonna get tired of it quickly. I know I would. So I'm not even gonna do that. Now if I had like a BMW like M4 or something like that, or M5 that came with the pops and bangs already in sport mode and all that stuff, that's different. You know, it's how the car comes that way. So I would be fine with that. But nah, getting it done tuning wise, probably not, man. I probably wouldn't do it. But it's not gonna be a super long video. I'm gonna leave it off after I do a little quick pull under this tunnel, and then I'm gonna cut it short. But yeah, man, I'm loving the GoPro, man. I'm happy I have it. And I hope y'all enjoying the GoPro footage as well, man. Hopefully it's pretty straight and it's not uneven or nothing like that. Crooked, I would say. Or crooked. Probably just adjusted on my head. But other than that, man, I appreciate y'all for watching the video, tuning into my channel, and showing support. I appreciate it, man. And this is gonna be the end of the video. So like I said before, appreciate y'all. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.